This is our new improved straw packing machine with 4 sets of servo motor and touch screen. The advantage is when we change the straw diameter and length, it's very convenient for the operation. No need to change the mold, gears or rollers. This packing machine can pack paper straws, PLA straws, plastic straws and glass straws. Now we pack paper straw diameter 12 mm, length 230 mm. Now we will check the finished packing product. We will see the sealing quality and the printing quality. If with printing, the packing speed is about 250 to 300 pieces per minute, according to the length and the diameter. And if without the printing, the speed will reach to 500 pieces per minute. The machine with touch screen. This is the control panel. Inside, you will see the 4 sets of servo driver and PLC. This is the printing part, and here is the heating device. It's improved and which is more better than before. And inside is the gears. We have a look. We will show you the adjusting if we want to pack a straw diameter 6 mm, length 200 mm. Now we change the length is a little shorter. We will use a paper straw to test. If the length is okay, we will fix this screw. Now we will check the gap for the paper straw. Before its diameter is 12, now we will change to 6, so we have to adjust it smaller. We use a paper straw to test. And also these 2 white rollers need to adjust the distance. We use these 2 screws to adjust the distance for these 2 white rollers, and then we also check the gap distance is okay or not. Now we change another paper roll for diameter 6 mm straws. And the machine adjusts the wheel. Now we put the paper straws in the hopper. This paper straw just for testing the machine. If for customers' operation, need to clean the machine well, and the workers need to better wear their gloves, so more better. This new technology machine is very popular in China local or overseas markets. If you are interested in it, please contact us for more information. Thank you for watching.